Hey, tech enthusiasts. Guess what? Amazon's got an incredible deal on the new Samsung Galaxy S24, and you won't want to miss this. For a limited time, you can snag an amazing 8% off the regular price. But wait, there's more. Redeem early order gift card and get extra €100 off. Plus, get a fantastic €150 exchange bonus and value for your old device and a free memory upgrade. But here's the real kicker, Amazon's offering a pre-order price guarantee. If the price drops before the release, they've got your back and will reimburse the difference. How awesome is that? So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description, lock in these incredible savings, and be one of the first to experience the Samsung Galaxy S24. Hurry, this deal won't last forever. Like, share, and subscribe for more tech thrills.